Welcome to the news. Today Rockstar have revealed the release date of the next-gen GTA 5. For PS4 and Xbox One it is the 18th of November, and for PC it is January 27, 2015. Also there will be over 100 additional new songs and new DJ mixes from returning DJs across the game's 17 radio stations. There will also be new weapons, additional wildlife, denser traffic, new foliage system, enhanced damage and weather effects, and much more. All players who pre-order the game will get $1 million in-game bonus cash to spend across Grand Theft Auto V and Grand Theft Auto Online. GTA $500,000 each for your story mode and for your GTA Online in-game bank accounts. Enhancements to Grand Theft Auto Online include an increased player count, with online play now for up to 30 players on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. All existing gameplay upgrades and Rockstar-created content released since the launch of Grand Theft Auto Online will also be available for the PlayStation 4, Xbox One and PC. With much more to come, existing players will be able to transfer their Grand Theft Auto Online characters and progression to their choice of PlayStation 4, Xbox One or PC. It is time for some more news. Rockstar also gave us some information about a DLC which could come out soon, like maybe next week. Hint hint. A host of new, exclusive content also awaits for players returning from the PlayStation 3 and Xbox 360 versions, including rare versions of classic vehicles to collect from across the Grand Theft Auto series, such as the Dukes, the Dodo seaplane, and the faster, more maneuverable blimp. Activities including wildlife photography, and new shooting range challenges, new weapons and more. That's the news for today. Join Daily Colors Code today.